Hey guys, this is Dave. Look what's for lunch. Gonna get me some, got some rice with the sweet chili sauce on it here. That's the way I like it. A lot of people dip it in those spring rolls, but it's all good. We got some broccoli, and then we got some adobo style ribs. Man, that looks good. Smells good and all that. So here we go. That's my wife starting her dish over there. She's getting ready to go to work. So let's eat. I'll tell you how it is in a minute. Oh my goodness, people. It is fall off the bone tender. Oh, see? Look at that. Man. Now, I do like barbecue ribs, but this is good too. Nice flavor. Of course, you know, the Filipino, they like it, excuse me. They like it, you know, with the, like vinegar, sour, kind of a sour taste. But with all the others in there, there's garlic, there's peppers, peppercorns, probably some other kind of seasonings in there. But man, good. All right, guys, see you later.